Well, just got to this pond. It's the same pond I caught that big one out of like 2 videos ago. I'm with Zack Lights again, except this time we got our kayaks. Last time we were in that John boat, and we're about to get in the water and do some fishing. Just got on practice, so we'll be fishing in the evening. Hopefully we can wear them out. All right, guys, we just got on the water, launched from right there. I'm gonna start off just throwing a swim bait. Haven't thrown a swim bait all year. Throwing a spinner bait and a chatter bait some. This one is just a zoom swim bait, I guess, and we're just gonna got a belly weighted hook with a 1/4 ounce, and I'm just gonna throw it around these trees. I'm gonna start off with this, and if this don't work, I'll go to a jig and might start flipping some. They should be spawning, or down here in South Alabama, they should be about spawning this time of year. Should have fish in all stages. Pre-spawn, post-spawn, and spawning. So we'll give it a go. Hey, another pretty good fish. I caught him off that tree that's falling in the water on a jig. That's how I like to hook them, right in the top of the head. Little jig with a baby pack of chunk, a little bass. I like that. Man, that jig hooked him perfect, right in the top of the head. I like that. Come on. That trailer looking back right again. Got my jig skirt all jacked up. He choked that jig though. Had it hooked him right in the top of the head. He was right up off that tree limb. Hell yeah. One and one. That first one was a good one I hooked. I'm talking a good one. I just didn't get a good hook set in them. There's one. Come here, baby. Get in the kayak. God, he choked it. Hey. There's definitely some on this bank. Hey, can you see my jig? It's down his throat. Hope y'all can see that. Look where that hook got him. Right in the side of the head. That's an Ike's mini flip. I don't even know how I can get him unhooked. That's how good he's hooked. God, that was awesome. I love that. Just flipping these little, I mean, they're up pretty shallow. I'm just flipping this wood up here along this bank. I say flipping, I'm not really flipping. I'm kind of side casting to it because flipping in a kayak would be pretty dang tough. I love it. Choking a jig. You catch that fish out of that tree?
Yeah.
Oh, I just missed one. Dude, I had one on a jig. I threw it way up there. That one felt like a good one. I didn't even get the hook in him. He was swimming off with my jig. 2-2. Man, I didn't even get the jig in that one. He was swimming toward the tree. And I set the hook, it was like air. I didn't have him. I can throw this thing. Hey, I just caught one behind you. Zach, I just caught one behind your kayak. No swimmer. Come here. What are ya? Swim bait fish right in the top of the head. See, baby? You sweet girl, you. Tried to eat the old swimmer. This might be good fish here. He ain't bad. Pretty nice fish. I thought he was bigger than that. Come here. Thought he was a little bigger than that. He's fighting hard. Look how wide he is. Jig right in the top of the head. Bye-bye, buddy. Is it 5-5? That one hit the old jigger. I was swimming that jig. Come up and got some of that pack crawl. Zach, you're kicking my butt now. 7-5 or 7-6 or 8-6. Uh-oh. I ain't no good. I'm in a tree. Flipping a jig in a tree. Oh, snap. I need to get out of this tree. Come on. Get me out of the tree. Come on. Let's get out of the tree. Where you want it to go? Uh-oh, I'm spinning. I got one. Oh, snap. I hooked him right under the kayak. He came off right here. He jumped right here. That's still 8-6. Goober. Dude, he bit. I can see dirt right there. He bit it right there.
I had one back there, and that's the first one I hooked. Started reeling about halfway in.
Hey, I was. Oh, you goober.
I'm wearing it out right here.
Yeah, you tortured me. I was messing with something. It was just, the jig was just sitting there.
It ain't bad fish.
No. My jig was just chilling. And then I felt something running at me. It was a fish. I didn't hook him. I suck. Lightsy's killing me. Is that 9-6 now?
9-6.
Uh-oh. You're good. Every time I turn the GoPro off, I get bit. Yeah, that ain't a bad in there. Second I turn the GoPro off, he eats it. It's amazing. I'm sorry I didn't have it on. Every time I turn it off, I get bit. Hey, I got a scale in here too if we catch your mama. Yeah. I will never go fishing again without it. After catching that big of a fish and not getting to weigh it. I just hate not knowing. And there I go, letting my Southside Show, whiskey whispering on. All right, I got 7. I'm done with 6. Swim bait got me one, finally. And he hit it good too. $7, $12.
13.
Oh God. Take it easy. Get you some Gatorade or something.
Huh?
Get you some Gatorade or something. Feels like a good one. Yeah. Ooh, barely had her hooked. Yep. Little swimmer. $2.5 pounder.
You weigh 'em?
Nah. The next one I catch, I might wait just to see what it is. Just for giggles. All right. 8. We got 8. I got a shot. I ain't seen her yet. I don't think there's anything great. Plowing water. There we go.
Give her a weigh and see.
I'm gonna just see. Look at her swimming in my hand. God, choked it. I don't know if, man, hooked kind of bad. Right in the tongue. Hope I didn't hurt that tongue. I think it was chatterbait. Wind's picked up. I was ripping it out of that grass. I was ripping it out of that grass. You come up and ate it. Hooked right in the side of the head. Come on. There we go. See you, buddy. 10, Mr. Lightsey. I just caught one. I'm on 10. You keep missing them over there. I was just ripping it out of that grass. He come up and got him. Guess what I'm doing? First top water I've thrown all year. I can't believe it. I'm actually gonna do it. Throwing a top water in March. Got him. Topwater fish. First topwater fish of the year. Ate the front hook too, good sign. Little, I think it's a storm chug bug, junior. Small size. God, he wasn't coming off. God dang. I just don't want trouble hooking me. treble hooks. There we go. See you, buddy. First topwater fish of the year. Well, it's been a good day of fishing. I've caught 14, I think. What was it, 14 to 20? Yeah, so I got my butt whipped pretty decent, 14 to 20. He caught like all of his but 2 fish on a spinnerbait. He caught them all on a lizard and 2 on a spinnerbait. And then I wanted to try a bunch of different lures. I caught 2 on a chug bug, topwater popper. I think 3 on a chatterbait, a couple on a jig, and then most of mine were on a swim bait. But it was kind of all, you know, mix and match for what I threw. I wanted to throw a bunch of different baits, so see if I could get bit in this pond on him. He stayed with Old Faithful and tore me up with a lizard. Go figure. But I hope y'all liked the video. I hope you like some fish catches. Y'all have a good one.